Hello and welcome to English 911. My name is Skyla and I am going to be your teacher for today. This last week, I've spent hours reading letters from everyone, asking all sorts of interesting grammar questions, and for today, I have chosen the 3 of my favorite questions. Okay, our first question is apart versus apart. Now, these are hard ones to hear the difference of them, right? But you can see the difference. The first one is a noun. It means a piece of something, apart. And the next one is all one word. It's all together, and it means separate, which is weird. When the word is all together, it means separate. For example, I recently bought a part for my computer, a new piece for my computer. But I've been living apart from my family for 7 years. I've been living separately from my family for 7 years. Okay, so hopefully that was all understandable. And now let's go on to question number 2. Let's see, what is question number 2? This was a fun one. Practice and practice. Again, words that we say exactly the same. Maybe it would be easier if we compare them to advice and advise, where we actually say them differently. Let's just write these in. Okay, so here's how it goes. In American English, they use this word, practice, with the C to mean both the noun and the verb. But if you're speaking British English or Canadian English, like myself, then there is a difference. How it works is that the ICE form is the noun. Practice, advice, just the same, a piece of advice. It is the noun. However, the ICE form of the word is the verb. For example, let me advise you to do something. Last week I was practicing music. So let me give you a piece of advice, and always remember that practice makes perfect. And hopefully always remember ICE, I-C-E, is our noun. And now, question number 3. Oh, this is a hard question. When I was younger, I never ever could tell the difference between these 2 words, desert and dessert. I always asked my teacher, how can I tell the difference? When should I have 2 S's? When should I have 1? And she said, Skyla, it's very, very easy. A desert, what is there in a desert? There's nothing. There's sand, there's no water. It's very hot. You never, ever want to go back. There's 1 S. You never want to go to a desert 2 times. However, dessert, like ice cream or chocolate or maybe cake, you know, you always want more. So you always have 2 S's in dessert. So always remember this. Desert, you never want to go back, 1 S. Whereas dessert, 2 S's. You want to go back. You want more dessert. So my name is Skyla. Thank you for being with us here today at English 911, and don't forget to write. See you next time.